Hey everyone, here we are with another Young Living unboxing. Here is my October unboxing, coming at you at 1 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not posting this till the morning, so it's not going to be 1 o'clock for you guys. But here we go. We have got a few goodies in here. Dun, dun, dun. We have another one of these gorgeous cups. This is the one from last year. Isn't she gorgeous? Can we say discount? Whoop whoop. We've got the beautiful holiday catalog. Gorgeous. We've got a whole bunch of tubes to open. So I'm just going to open them all up quickly. Okay, so let's look at this here. So, I'm pretty sure this one came with the mug. I ordered 2 citrus fresh. I ordered 2 Christmas Spirit, 2 lemongrass, 3 orange, and 2 lemon. I'm not sure why they put those in bags, but sure. And then orange. Ooh-doo-doo-doo-doo. Uh-oh, runaway oil. So I believe that is everything now. So we got a whole bunch of oils. Like a whole bunch. And we got our mug. And our beautiful book. Oh, can't forget that oil too. So there we go. That was my October order. All the oils. I can't remember which one was the promotional item. So one of those oils was free. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. And if you've got any questions about these products or more, let me know and I'll gladly help you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. Peace out, everyone. Mwah.